I spend more time than I, need to with him.
Yeah.
And I think I'd kill the lead ant from ants because he's too small. So I mean, he's too small to do anything. I just fucking kill him.
Don't move. Don't you look away! You look back over here! You look back over here! What? Okay. Go to the right. No, dude. You don't get it. The music is supposed to be shitty. Someone that I knew went to Warped Tour, and it was pretty. I heard they were like, "Oh, it was really cool," but I was like, I don't give a crap about Warp. Like, who's at Warped Tour? Black Veil Boys.
The Black Veil Boys.
The Black Veil Boys.
God.
The Fall on the Dance. The Blow on the Dance Floor guys. There's what's the other one? What's the other? Fallout Man.
Broken Side.
Fallout 4. Fallout 4. And then, what'd you say? Broken Side?
Broken Side, yeah.
What other scene? Dude, okay, hey, no joke today. I was on Scenic Drive and I saw this hella skatey looking scene kid. And I just laughed and my dad was like, "Why'd you laugh?" And I was like, "If I told you, you wouldn't give a shit."
Yeah. That's true. I mean,
Yeah, you sound like fucking Marlon Brando.
Marlon Brando.
Fucking Mega Brando.
Mega Brando.
Mega Man.
Mega Man. No.
That
That's
shit's the worst,
horrible. Why?
That shit's really terrible.
Like, why are you following me? What am I posting that you have to?
Dude, I can Steve Ass dead. Stevie Ass dead Stevie Wonder. Steve McBlunder's son. Steve. Hey Max.
Yeah?
Do you remember that one sub? That always Mr. Gunderson?
I'm afraid not.
He's the one that has that like tribal music. And he always
I remember that.
Yeah. Did you know that guy got in trouble for like fraud? Tax fraud?
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
He's also an actual mayor. I thought he was shitting me, but he's not.
He's an actual what?
He's an actual mayor.
Really?
Yeah. Like,
Yeah, that doesn't surprise me.
it surprises me, dude. That guy couldn't do anything.
Swing angrily and hurl their hideous encore into the sky like a band of wandering spirits.
No.
Wail
Fuck.
against the sleep. And long hearses without drums or move in a slow procession through my soul. Defeated hope bursts into tears, and the fierce tyrant anguish
Brett,
of his
why are you smiling like that?
on my bowed head.
It's your what?
My boyish smirk.
Say it again like that. Say it with more Italian.
My boyish smirk.
Like nasty Italian.
My boyish smirk.
That's Russian, dude. I want Italian like, hey, Papa,
My boyish smirk.
That was like,
Ese.
that's Mexican, dude. I want Italian.
Get out of here, dude. I don't want to do this shit.
Mr.